So left one is control, right one is biochar compost applied. Yeah. So you can see at least 1.5 times bigger in size, minimum 1.5 to 2 times the leaf itself.
Yes.
Yeah.
ఇది బయోచార్ వేసిన భూమిలో ఉన్న మొక్క, ఇది బయోచార్ వేయని భూమిలో ఉన్న మొక్క.
The biochar compost applied leaf is at least 3 times bigger
ఎస్.
than the control plant leaf. Roots చూడండి, ఇది control the left, right side biochar applied. Left is always control, right is biochar. Okay. Left leaf is control and right is biochar compost applied field. So again here the size of the leaf is 1.5 times. Left one is control, right one is biochar applied. Again here you can see the root, especially leaf, you see both leaves together. With and without biochar compost applied at Aranya Farms. చెప్పండి పద్మ గారు.
ఇక్కడ 2 ప్లాట్లు ఉన్నాయండి. 2 ప్లాట్లో కూడా పెసర మినుము వేసినాము. సో రెండిట్లో చూస్తే కనుక పెసర బయోచార్ వేసిన దాంట్లోనేమో ఎత్తు కానీ ఎదుగుదల కానీ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ భూమిలో ఓన్లీ ఫార్మ్ యార్డ్ మెన్యూర్ ఒక్కటే వేసాము, కానీ కొద్దిగా తేడా తెలుస్తుంది. దాని బయోచార్ వేసింది చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. ఇది ఎంత బాగుందో చూడండి. ఇది బయోచారుతో వేసామండి, అదేమో బయోచార్ లేకుండా వేసాము, ఒట్టి ఎరువు మాత్రమే వేసాము. అంటే దానికి దీనికి తేడాలో చూస్తే ఎదుగుదలలో కానీ పంటలో కానీ లీఫ్ ఆకు సైజులో కూడా, ఆకు సైజు కూడా మనం చూడవచ్చు. ఇది చూడండి ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉందో. అక్కడది కూడా చూపిస్తాను.
Take one plant there randomly and biggest leaf you get. Somebody come here, take one plant randomly and biggest leaf you pluck without any bias. Any plant you take and biggest size leaf within that plant. Yeah. Then we'll put side by side. Any randomly you take. Don't go by the biggest within that plant. It should be bigger. Okay. So here we start. See, no. This is one comparison. You see, no. Yeah. You are not selected correctly. You check the whole plant. Okay. This is your. No, this is different species, madam.
Yeah.
So species should be same. See here you see, no, this one you remove. Confusion I will. You take another species now. There is this is green gram.
And same day we ఒకటే రోజు ఇత్తనాలు పెట్టినాం సాయి భాస్కర్. Same day we sown the seed. And I'll get it.
Some other species you get 20 species.
And I'll get it. Here, careful.
Which plant is this?
Sorghum.
ये देखो, ये क्या है, ये क्या है?
सबसे बड़ा तो फिर ये दिख रहा है.
इधर लेके.
ఇగో.
Okay, that also will be. Ada vedam. We'll keep it. Okay, you hold, madam. No, you hold that one this hand. ఇది చేతిలో పట్టుకోండి, లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ అని చెప్తా. ఇది ఆ చేతిలో, అది ఈ చేతిలో. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు పట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, టెల్ మీ.
సో ఇది జొన్న అండి. 2 ఒకటే రోజు ఇత్తనం మీద పెట్టినాము. ఇది బయోచార్ వేసిన భూమిలో ఉన్న మొక్క, ఇది బయోచార్ వేయని భూమిలో ఉన్న మొక్క. సో అన్నిట్లో తేడా అంటే వేరు దాంట్లో నుంచి కాండము ఆకు అన్నిట్లో సైజులో చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది చూడండి.
आपको दैट है मैडम के बाद आप भी पता बताओ आपका.
पत्ते का नाम नहीं पता.
तुराई, रिज गार्ड.
ओके.
रिज गार्ड. अच्छा बताओ, उल्टा पलटा नहीं.
ऐसे ही है ना.
जोर से बोलो.
वो सेम है.
Same day sown ridge gourd plant leaves. The biochar compost applied leaf is at least 3 times bigger.
Yes.
Than the control plant leaf. and we have plucked on the largest. So this is the record of biochar compost as of now. और आगे बढ़ के और इससे भी ज्यादा हो
Yield
जाएगा.
be will calculate.
Yield also will calculate.
Yield also will
So,
calculate parts, everything will calculate.
even here the you see the leaf size. You pluck the leaf there, largest leaf in this plant. In this plant also you pluck the largest leaf. ఇందులో కూడా. And count the number of see, roots you see. Again, there are 2-3 things you have to compare. See the roots. మీరు అది దగ్గరకు పెట్టండి మైక్ రూట్స్ చూడండి. ఇది కంట్రోల్ ది లెఫ్ట్, రైట్ సైడ్ బయోచార్ అప్లైడ్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాష్ ఇట్. You somebody get some water, I will show the other miracle. Smell it, wash it.
There is a water here. We can do.
Somebody wash and get this one. Wash here, wash.
पानी है ना दो
पानी में ऐसे ही करना, हाथ से नहीं करना.
No, that there is a tap, no?
there's a tap.
You know that, no?
dissolve हो जाए. अभी ये लीफ भी देखो కింద పెట్టండి. ఇట్లా పెట్టండి.
ఇగో ఈ సాయిల్ లో పెడుతున్నా. ఫామ్ ఇట్లా ఉంది
You
కదా.
take pictures also, this one.
That on the left is
Left,
the control
left is always control, right is bias. Okay. Left leaf is control and right is biochar compost applied field. So again here the size of the leaf is 1.5 times. If control is 1 time, it is 1.5. And width is again larger in size. Okay. మీ దగ్గర అడిగారు మాట్లాడండి.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 2 2.5 ఫీట్లు దాదాపు ఉంది ఇది. సో ఇది
ఒకటి
లెస్ దాన్ 2. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ a 3.
keep it here just. And total leaves you count and keep it here like this. Next to that here. Left. Nazik. This leaves you remove now. దూరం పెట్టండి. ఓవర్లాప్ కావద్దు లీఫ్. క్లారిటీ
తీసేనా?
తీసేయండి. రెండు తీసేయండి. కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ plucked. We have plucked 2 plants. Left one is control, right one is biochar applied. Again here you can see the root especially. The number of roots also you can see, the thickness of the roots total.
Then stem.
And even the girth of the plant you can see it is more. And leaves are taller. Anyhow we plucked 2 leaves from each of these plants, the bigger leaves. Otherwise it would have been even bigger. So this is the difference of after how many days?
June 7th we planted.
June 7th. Now today is around 1 month.
July.
Okay, around 1 month
1
means
month.
30 days difference this one. So within 3.5 months we will know the yield also.
It's a 70 days.
Yeah, 70 days. Even before that we will know the yield. So this is jawar. Maize.
This is jawar only. I'm
Jawar.
talking about
Yeah,
jawar.
this is jawar. Yeah.
Jawar is the 4 months crop.
Yeah, 4 months crop.
Where did the control
120 days.
come from? Where was the control?
This
Next
plant.
line.
This side.
And this one is this side.
So what you do know, randomly pick up the weeds also from both plots. Any weed you pick up. These are mostly rainy season greens, sir. Mostly consumable actually. Majority of the plants here. Uncultivated, mostly they are edible, and we should be happy with them. Rather than uprooting, we should use them. Green gram. See, 1 green gram we have taken from the control. See, uprooted now. We are taking one more from there with biochar. Bring it here. Yeah,
I think we need a
Come.
larger sample size.
come. Now see the difference. Left is always control, right is biochar.
Okay.
Convention. We are, yeah. Show me. Okay.
This is control and this is biochar.
Hmm.
Wow, look at the difference. Look at the difference in the size of the leaf.
Yeah, see. Leaf, you see both leaves together.
Everything.
See, you put there, we can take a picture. The root length also you see.
We might
Come
need
with
to.
it.
We might need to.
Mind this one.
Yeah, watch the wire. Improve our sampling methods.
Yeah. You keep it here. Now we brought another plant. See, observe them and tell me the differences. You should always have some scale. If you don't have scale, use your mobile. The size of your mobile phone is also okay, fine.
Are almost double.
Okay, tell me, count the number of leaves in the control. Somebody count the number of leaves in the biochar. Leaves might be same, but ultimate the size also is different. No? How many are there total?
20.
23.
Is there flowering or something additionality?
There are additional leaves coming here.
Oh, so you cannot count.
Here flowering is started.
See, already flowering started in the this one biochar applied one. Can you see? In control, it is not there.
And this is also less likely to be eaten by insects. I don't know if it is relevant.
Yeah, that is also important.
Because over here,
No, you are right. Healthy plant will be less attacked. ठीक है ना? And root size दोनों एक साथ लगाओ.
almost double.
Root size, root hair, tap root. Can you see? Put your pen.
I was spoon. I was spoon.
लगाओ. क्या करते हैं अभी दुनिया में चम्मच लेके घूम रहे अभी. नो इसको दोनों के बीच में नहीं सेम साइज रहना. ऑलवेज दिस लाइन शुड मैच. नेवर पुश दिस हेड. So then you will know. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can compare with the spoon size. Okay. See the root. Take a picture, close picture.